Hi Hoopers, welcome to this butterfly hinge tutorial. The first variation is the punch and twist. Pretty much does what it says on the box. Push your hoop forward, twist so they split apart. Building on the punch and twist is the waist hinge. Start by hooping on the waist. Turn slightly to grab onto both hoops. Hold the hoops behind your back, flick them round to the front, and then punch and twist. This is a Z-spin variation. Let's start with one hoop first. Hold the hoop with your knuckles facing up. Push the hoop to the side of you. As it comes above your head, twist your palm inwards to face you, and then bring your hoop back to the starting point. Then let's try the exact same thing with two hoops. Keep a nice loose grip as the hoops come to the top so they can separate easily. And when you're ready to come out of this, take one hoop in either hand, open your hands out, and keep spinning. This is the helicopter hinge. With one hoop, we pass from palm to palm with a little twist in between. Exactly the same with two hoops, and they should split at the end. Elbow hinge time. Bring your arm from the outside into your hoop and then grab gently onto the hoops. Push away from you and they should unwind and split. From the side outside to in, push away and split. Now we can elbow hinge from the waist. Begin by hooping on your waist. Grab onto the hoop with your opposite arm. Scoop the other arm underneath. Bring the hoop over above your head and then do that elbow untwist we just learnt. This is the Escalator hinge. You can try with one hoop first. If you want more Escalator excitement, you can check out the tutorial I've done on my LiveLoveHoop YouTube channel. Loads of Escalator goodness there. Let's try with two. Same thing, push the hoops behind you, catch on the back of your neck, release. As you go to grab, bring your hand from the outside. We're back in that elbow hinge position where you can twist and your hoops will split. My favourite variation, chest roll, butterfly hinge, boom. Okay, with one hoop, you're going for a normal chest roll, but as you catch, you're going to put your arm from the outside in, and from there, go into your elbow hinge. There's so much to play with these butterfly hinges, so have a go, see what happens when your two hoops are together and how you can split them apart. watching, Hoopers. Make sure you like us on facebook.com/LiveLoveHoop and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials in future. Bye!